Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're in the world. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Vechain update. Now, in my very last update on Vechain, I actually showed you where we were sitting right here with the Vechain price chart, that we were sitting right on top of a major support. Should we lose this level right here, probably something very bad could actually happen for the Vechain price chart right here. But fortunately, we actually have got a very positive structure that is forming right here, which I'll talk about in a minute. And we also have got another bullish pattern happening right here, right? So all those things. But before I get into all that stuff, I just want to ask you to help me spread this video by tapping the like button, because it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. People looking for this kind of information will now be able to find the video much easily, right? Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I'd encourage you to do so really, because I do TA on Vechain on a regular basis, right? And without me running my mouth too much, let me actually get into the real stuff. So yeah, we've got the price chart here on a daily time frame, and then on a shorter time frame, we actually have got something positive happening right here, right? So this is our Wyckoff accumulation structure happening right on top of that support, the best thing that you want to see right on top of a major support right here. So to put this into perspective, we've actually crashed something like a 94% here on the Vechain price chart from the very top up until that very bottom right here. So yes, we've got a 94% crash, which is something that usually happens with these altcoins right here when they're crashing, right? That's okay. So let me go ahead and start showing you like the two bullish scenarios that I have right here on the Vechain price chart. Let me go ahead and show you the, I would say, the most bullish, or maybe not so bullish. You will be the judges really. So we are forming something right here, which is looking like you know, a falling wedge right here on the Vechain price chart. So yeah, falling wedges are usually like bullish patterns. They've got a 66% success rate to go ahead and reach the price target right here, of which the price target right here will be the top of the wedge. Now the top of the wedge is sitting at 18.5 cents, right? So from where we are right here, I mean, it's almost a good 10x from where we are right here, right? It's a good retracement actually. Let me see what the fib levels are actually saying here, because I didn't check this. So it's coming right into confluence with our 0.618 fib retracement level. So yeah, I mean, yeah, we've got a little bit of confluence, right? So anywhere between the 0.5, which is 15 cents, up until 18.5 cents there, right, is an area of interest in my own opinion, right? I actually didn't get, you know, too much of a good chance to buy Vechain when it was here. I was thinking it's expensive, but at these levels, after crashing 94%, I would actually start, you know, dollar cost averaging into Vechain, right? Obviously, this is not financial advice. This is just my own opinion right here, right? So this is just one side of the story, really. Now, let me take you to something which is really crazy here. So again, on the daily time frame, you can actually see that, you know, I extended this. This is a sketch of mine right here, right? But I'm trying to show you something that is happening right here, right? So this fractal you see, which I'm moving here, is actually something I took from the Cardano price chart, and look at how it fits into this structure right here, right? It's as if, I mean, I actually copied this and put it right here, but it's not right. So let me go ahead and show you what happened with the ADA price chart, the Cardano price chart back then in 2018, which marked the very bottom of that bear market really up until 2020 when the C19 pandemic happened, right? So this is the exact structure, right, I took here, and you can see a clear Wyckoff accumulation structure here with your preliminary support right here, your selling climax, your auto rally, your secondary test with a creek, and then finally you enter your spring phase right here, which you set a lower low compared to the selling climax that we had right here. And that's the exact same thing that is happening with the Vechain price chart here. Look, we actually set a new low compared to the selling climax that we had right here, right? If I am to push this one further up right here and zoom this right here and go ahead and show you our preliminary support zone right here, right, this would be it. And you can actually see that, yeah, I mean, in as much as this is a sketch, it's actually painting a very nice picture, right? So yeah, like the video if you like my drawings right here, right? But let's actually get into the serious stuff right here. Another structure that we could actually look at is the total 2 right here, which is basically the market cap of altcoins, and there is no Bitcoin included right here, right? And it's the same story really, because you've got your preliminary support right here, you've got your selling climax, obviously your rally, and then your creek, and then finally you enter your spring phase right here. This one didn't necessarily set a new low, but it is what it is, right? You get the idea. This is the same structure that is happening time and again, right? At the same time, we actually have that structure happening right here on top of a massive line of support, the previous all-time high for the total market cap right here. We have got that structure appearing one more time. So I mean, we really need all these things to come into confluence at once, so that we can actually have a perfect recipe of what is going to happen right here with the Vechain price. But in my own opinion, I think we are in a very optimistic structure. Look at this. I mean, this is really crazy, man. Yeah, so it's looking very good in my own opinion. So yeah, another example that I could actually give was the Bitcoin price. But I mean, this was just another Wyckoff accumulation structure, but it didn't necessarily set a new low compared to the selling climax that we had right here, right? But yeah, this is how these wake of accumulation structures usually play out. So we are in a really good spot right here with the Vechain price chart, considering that we are on top of a major support, as I showed you right here. And then at the same time, we are forming a falling wedge bullish pattern right here, right? Everyone new to cryptocurrencies will know that this is a very bullish structure right here. I mean, 66%, I mean, there's a 66 opportunity or chance that the price target is going to hit, that the price set is going to hit this price target right here, right? That's okay. But should we lose this level right here, which I showed you, let me go ahead and show you one more time here, right? This is our range of support here. Should we lose this level right here, the next line of support really is still, I mean, it's a really you know, I mean, it's a long way down right here. So that would be something like 48 to 50% further down right here. Is this something that is possible? It's very much possible. It is cryptocurrencies at the end of the day, right? I mean, the good thing is just you need to be prepared for all scenarios, right? Just don't, you know, lose all your money into these things, right? Please do your own research before you put any money into the market right here. So yeah, that's pretty much it from me. I showed you two optimistic structures. We'll be looking at these two optimistic structures as we head into the next week. And then yeah, if you like the content, if you like the analysis, tell me what you think here. And then don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, and then I'll see you on the next one. Take care.